Aquaculture, the practice of farming fish and other aquatic organisms, can be a rewarding addition to your backyard. This guide will help you get started. Aquaculture involves raising fish and other aquatic animals in controlled environments. It's an excellent way to produce fresh, sustainable food right at home. You'll need a few key supplies, ponds or tanks. Choose based on your space and budget. Fish stock. Popular choices include shrimp, catfish, trout, and tilapia. Aeration devices. These help maintain oxygen levels in the water. Setting up your system. Location. Select a sunny spot with easy access to water and electricity. Water quality. Test and maintain the pH, temperature, and cleanliness of your water. Filtration system. Essential for keeping water clean and fish healthy. Choosing your fish. Different fish species have varying requirements. For beginners, tilapia is often recommended due to its hardiness and fast growth rate. Ensure you understand the specific needs of your chosen species, such as diet and water conditions. Feeding and maintenance. Diet. Feed your fish a balanced diet suitable for their species. Regular checks. Monitor water quality, fish health, and system functionality regularly. Addressing environmental challenges. Aquaculture systems can face challenges like water temperature fluctuations and diseases. It's crucial to be prepared. Temperature control. Use heaters or coolers to maintain optimal temperatures. Disease management. Quarantine new fish and maintain water cleanliness to prevent outbreaks. Introduction to aquaponics. Aquaponics combines aquaculture with hydroponics, growing plants and fish together in a symbiotic environment. The fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, and the plants help filter the water. Benefits of aquaponics. Efficiency. Produces both fish and plants with minimal inputs. Sustainability. Uses less water than traditional gardening and can be set up in small spaces. Setting up an aquaponic system. Components. Includes fish tanks, grow beds, and a water circulation system. Plant selection. Choose plants that thrive in water-rich environments like leafy greens and herbs. Final tips. Start small. Begin with a manageable system and expand as you gain experience. Stay informed. Join aquaculture and aquaponics communities to learn from others and stay updated on best practices. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and maintain a backyard aquaculture system, providing fresh, sustainable food for your family. Happy farming!